Walrus. Walrus is the name of two commons in northern France. Dolphin. Dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark are a group of Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur. Dolphin. Dolphin is an aquatic mammal. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Duck. The domestic duck or domestic mallard. Frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse. Hippo. The hippopotamus or hippo further qualified. Whale are widely distributed and diverse group. Frogs. A frog is any member of a diverse. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles known as testudians. Starfish. Starfish or sea stars are star-shaped echinoderms. Stingrays. Stingrays are a group of sea rays.